Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making Shogayaki Japanese Ginger Pork. In summer, we need something to energize the body to fight against the heat. Vitamin B contains in pork works for revitalizing your body, and the ginger improves blood circulation. Most of all, it's easy to cook and so tasty. Let's get started. First, grate my fresh ginger. Add 2 sliced pork loin, add soy sauce and Milin. Toast to coat evenly and marinate for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the cabbage to serve with pork. Shred your cabbage thinly with a big peeler or sharp knife. Release in cold water and spin it. Remove any moisture. Place lettuce, thinly sliced cabbage, and tomato on your serving plate. Set aside until the ginger pork is ready. Let's cook pork. Heat the pan on medium. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and swirl around to cover the surface. Place your meat piece by piece. Spread the meat if it's folded to cook evenly. Flip it over and cook no longer pink. Take out and continue to cook another batch. When all the meat is done, get all the pork back in the pan. Add in the marinade and sugar. Cook on high heat until the sauce is reduced. When it looks good, stop cooking. Smells wonderful. Transfer to a serving dish which we prepared earlier. Drizzle sauce over the pork. The sauce is a crucial part of this dish. This is how we eat. Grab a piece of pork and put it over the rice. Have a bite of pork and freshly steamed rice. Goes so well with rice. What I like about this dish is vegetables. The ginger sauce dresses the cabbage so nicely. You can eat a lot of cabbage and I cannot miss my Japanese potato salad when I make ginger pork. I will show you how to make it in the next video. I hope you will give my ginger pork recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Go to my website for a little recipe and more information. And follow me on my social media so I can see your picture. Lastly, my Amazon the store has pretty much everything that I'm using in my kitchen. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!